ask?
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Would you like a little tour?
Yes, please.
Then off we go.
Yippee! Ooh, we are very high up, Your Majesty.
Oh, whee! Oh, isn't it marvelous? One does love to fly.
I can see everything.
Yes, one can see all around. Oh, wave to everyone.
Yeah. We're going to see some meerkats after this. Fluffy one. Okay.
What do you know about buried treasure?
Well, I have been to Pirate Island, Your Majesty.
Oh, how exciting. Oh, my. What's all that commotion over there?
It's Mr. Bob digging up the road.
Gracious. Who else can you spot?
There's Grumpy Rabbit's sailing club.
Ahoy there, Captain.
Hello, Grumpy Rabbit.
He's going to the toilet. Okay. No. We can't go into the overnight station. No, that's the workshop. That's where these live.
Who likes picnics?
I do. Could we have a picnic with Gerald Giraffe?
Well, we're almost home now. What about a cup of tea and some cake back at my castle instead?
Yes, please.
Righto. Well, thank you all for coming to see me. Cheerio.
Bye-bye, Mrs. Queen.